It's a great honor for Jain University to be hosting Khelo India 2021 on behalf of Karnataka government. Our Honorable Prime Minister has always emphasized that the best way to develop youth of this country is sports. Sports not only help us being physically fit and aim for higher achievements in international events, but also it's a way of developing youth in a way that the performance goes up almost in every walk of life. The initiative which is started for youth development through sports is a unique one, and this can take India to newer heights on the international platforms. And I believe for Jain University is doubly an honor that the Mahayagya of character building which the Honorable Prime Minister started, we will have the opportunity of putting our own ahuti in that and contribute towards his grand vision. I can assure you that on behalf of Jain University and my team here in the university, we will be able to put up a good show and make this event the most memorable one, as was emphasized by the Honorable Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. And on behalf of Jain University, I thank the Honorable Chief Minister for awarding these games to Jain University. And we will be able to see that the excitement which is built among the youth will take not only Jain University but the state of Karnataka and its youth and the potential for sports to newer heights, and motivate more and more youths to aim for higher and higher performance in international events.